Hi everyone, I'm Jim from Fuji Spray, and in today's Fuji Spotlight video, I'm going to be showing you how to troubleshoot a pressurization issue on your Fuji Spray HVLP spray gun. The most common cause of a pressurization issue is the check valve and pressure tube. When replacing the pressure tube and check valve, it is important to install these components in the right direction. The flat side of the check valve should be connected to the tube going to the spray gun, and the tapered side should be connected to the tube going to the cup lid. Thinking of it like an arrow. So the tapered end is always pointing towards the direction you want the air to flow. Before installing the pressure tube, look for blockages in the nipple on the spray gun and the nipple on the cup. Another common pressurization issue is being unable to maintain pressure in your material cup. This can happen when material builds up on the threads or edge of your cup body or lid, or if the gasket in the cup lid fails. If you own a bottom feed spray gun, you want to make sure the white gasket in the lid of the cup doesn't have any material, splits, or tears. By cleaning the material off the gasket or replacing a damaged gasket, you will be able to maintain consistent pressure. If you still have pressurization issues after replacing the gasket, take a look at the brass tabs on both sides of your cup. If they are bent upwards, you'll have a space between the cup lid and body, which means you'll need to replace the cup. If you own a gravity feed spray gun with an aluminum cup, inspect the gasket in the lid of the cup for material buildup and damage. You should also remove material buildup from the cavity of the lid where the gasket sits. When cleaning the gasket on your Fuji Spray HVLP spray gun, we don't suggest submerging it in any cleaning solvent because that will make it swell or lose its shape. If you own a gravity feed spray gun with a nylon cup, there is no gasket between the cup body and lid. If you still have pressurization issues, check that the threads on both the cup lid and body don't have any material in them. That covers troubleshooting the basics of a pressurization issue on a bottom feed or gravity feed Fuji Spray HVLP spray gun. If you have any questions, give Fuji Spray a call at 1-800-650-0930 or send us an email at info@fujispray.com. Thank you so much for tuning in.